So, this video is going to be about how the British currency, the pound sterling, relates to the pound weight. Here in front of me I have a pound, an ounce, a penny and a grain of salt. There are several different units of weight called pounds, all of which descend from the Roman libra. This is why the pound is abbreviated LB and the symbol for the English currency is the stylized L. Libra is Latin for scales. Pound comes from the Latin word pondo, which means weight. We are here mainly going to concern ourselves with the troy system. In this system, the smallest unit is the grain, corresponding to about the mass of a cereal grain. 24 grains make up a pennyweight, 20 pennyweights make up an ounce, and 12 ounces make up a pound. This means that a pound equals 240 pennyweights, or 5,760 grains. Outside precious metals, it's usually the avoirdupois system that is used. The avoirdupois grain is equal to the troy grain. The pound consists of 7,000 grains, making it larger than the troy pound. However, the avoirdupois pound is divided into 16 ounces, making the avoirdupois ounce lighter than the troy ounce. This penny was struck in the 1200s. At that time, the Tower system of weights was used. The troy system, which is what is used in precious metals today, was not adopted until 1526. Compared to their troy counterparts, the Tower pound and penny were 1/16 lighter. This means that this Tower penny actually fits not 240 times into this troy pound, but 256 times. Later pennies, like this one, were made out of mainly copper and did not contain any silver. The earliest pennies were struck from pure silver. Pure silver is soft and wears down fast. Starting in 1158, the harder sterling alloy was used. This alloy contains 92.5% silver and the remaining 7.5% was usually copper. The actual silver content of 1 pound of sterling silver is 11.1 ounces. I don't have a 10th ounce silver coin, but this 1974 US penny weighs 1/10 of an ounce. If we imagine this to be silver, then this would be the silver content of 1 pound sterling silver. These coins are pure silver, but we will imagine them to be sterling silver. There never was a silver pound coin. It was only a unit of account. Neither were ounces used in coinage. There was, however, a unit between the pound and the penny called the shilling. One shilling was a 20th of a pound, or 12 pennies. These are 5 shilling coins called crowns. 5 shillings is a quarter of a pound, so the 4 of them make up a pound. Obviously, this pound is not the same as this pound. Through the centuries, the money pound deviated more and more from the mass pound. This money penny equals the pennyweight, but this money pound does not equal the pound weight. These two newer coins are minted according to the standard laid down by the Coinage Act of 1816. Here, 1 mass pound of sterling silver was coined into 66 shillings. 1 money pound was, however, still equal to 20 money shillings. So, stated differently, 1 pound of sterling silver equaled 3.3 pounds sterling. This standard was used until 1919, after which the fineness was reduced to 50%. Since 1947 there has been no silver in British circulation coins. The Coinage Act of 1816 also defined the price of gold. Out of 20 troy pounds of 22 karat gold, there should be made 934 pounds and 20 shillings. This was the same as saying that 1 troy pound of 22 karat gold, containing exactly 11 ounces of fine gold, was to cost 46 pounds, 14 shillings and 6 pence. The 1 pound 22 carat gold sovereign was introduced, minted according to this specification. The nominal amount of pure gold in the sovereign was then exactly equal to 440 divided by 1,869 ounces, or approximately equal to 0.2354 ounces. The fine silver to fine gold ratio was then about 14.29. By comparison, as I'm recording this, the market silver to gold price ratio is about 80. The act also allowed anybody to bring silver bullion to the mint to be melted and coined. The mint would retain 4 out of every 66 shillings in minting costs. This is what is called seigniorage. The act also specified that silver coins were only legal tender up to an amount of 40 shillings. Only gold was legal tender for any amount. How much were these coins worth in today's money? There's no straightforward answer to this, but in terms of the spot price today of the specie content of the coins, one 1816 gold pound would be about 355 in 2020 pounds. One 1816 silver pound would be about 63 2020 pounds.